Well, today I'm going to be doing some tests on four knives that I made. Three of them are bed frame. One of them is a lawnmower blade. This is lawnmower blade. Bed frame. And two bed frame small knives. The other two are machete style. The handles of these, this is wood. This is probably going to be changed. I may keep that one. No, I'm probably going to change that one. I'll probably keep this one. I've been using these, been hacking with them. The blade's been holding up, so I'm just going to put them through some tests to show y'all. Bed frame and lawnmower blades, for the most part, there are a few of them blades that won't do this, but for the most part, bed frame and lawnmower blades will hold up good. So let's get to the test. First, the short knives. This is a Sachs design. And for cutting, it does as well as any of my other knives, and I've been cutting with it. Cord, and it's been doing really good. So you can be making a spear point. This is a dried wood. Green wood would be easier. I hope that's in camera. But as you can see, they do pretty good for small knives. All right. Really like these. This is going to have a wood handle on it. They've been holding their edge really good, even better than I thought. My handles are a little bit long because of the way sometimes I hold the knife. Some people complain about that. The good thing about making my own knives, I make them how I like them. Cut cord good, sharp. Will hack. That's what I mean by wanting a little bit longer handle. But they hack, they cut, really good knives. Now, for the two long ones. First one, excuse the camera. This is going to have a different handle. If you see it bounce off the wood, it's because of I'm having trouble indexing it. Right now it's bouncing because I'm on an old railroad tie. But as you can see, it will cut through it. This handle, I'm probably going to keep it. This is a thicker blade, as you can see. This is a spongy spot. This is good. You can use it instead of a hatchet. This is just pine. Now, let me get repositioned. Seasoned hardwood. And this stuff is hard. No things on that blade. This is creosote from the railroad tie. Blade still looks good. Oh, I hate that spongy railroad tie. And as you can see, they both still hack. Now, well, this wood is tough, but you can get shavings off of it. I think this might be oak. But it'll chop through that and chop into that. Oh, there it goes. Blade still come out as sharp as ever. Use a Mr. Volcano forge. I've made about 7 blades with it. The bed frame are my latest. These are oil quenched and they are tough. This is tough and this is water quenched lawnmower. Did some studying YouTube videos. Lawnmower blades, usually you want to water quench. Bed steel, they get way too hard, way too brittle. But I can make them the way I want them and then as many as I want because the material was pretty cheap. The bed frame, well, bed frame were free actually. That's creosote from the tie, railroad tie. Really like these knives. Should last forever. My next knives are going to be spring steel from a car. But I just wanted to show you those. I've been using them for a while. Been hacking all this stuff up. You can see the wood chips. They've been holding an edge as well as some of the store-bought knives I got. So that's probably where I'm getting at my knives from now on. Just learning more, getting better. And I'll design them the way I want them, the handle length I want, the design I want. Cheaper than I can buy them, and they're going to be just as good. But anyway, thanks for watching the video.